Hello traders, welcome to KineFX Academy YouTube channel. My name is Akin Akin. I am the lead instructor. This is one of the strategy I personally recommend for beginners. Let me quickly show you something, guys, before I proceed with this strategy. You can see that on my screen there are some indicators. You understand? But with what you can see clear, the one I know you can boldly mention is the parabolic SAR. This parabolic SAR is one you can boldly dot mention. You don't know what I put here in this green line, and you don't know what I put in these two blue moving averages. You can know it is moving average, right? But there's one thing that is really matter is how all these indicators come to an agreement that give us a confidence in entering a particular market. That is what we are after, the functionality of each of these indicators. You understand? So now let me quickly show you how these indicators play out. Parabolic SAR is a trend indicators that quickly spot a reversal in the market. You understand? And this moving average also determine the market trend, the market structure. So it tells us the direction of the market before we move into an agreement of what we are going to do in that particular market. Okay, so this green line you are seeing is a Bollinger Band. Yes, Bollinger Band. Bollinger Band is still normal as the upper, lower, and the middle band is still normal. It's just the settings I changed that squeeze the three bands that turn into one like this. I'm going to show you the settings and the reason why I did that. So guys, you don't want to miss any single seconds of this video, you understand? Because if you miss any seconds of this video, you are going to miss a lot of information, and if you miss that information in that seconds, the strategy is useless for you, which means you have to watch this video minute by minute. This is 5 minute time frame, you understand? We are going to be finding our entry in 1 minute time frame. It's a scalping strategy, you understand? So now how do we determine the entry in 5 minutes? I'm sorry, the entry in 1 minute. So after determining the market structure in 5 minutes, what are the market structure? What are the agreements you are going to meet up in these 5 minutes? You are going to make sure that the candles are above all these moving averages. You understand? Let me just say it in a layman language like that. So you have to confirm all the candles are above all these moving averages. You understand? So after confirm that, assuming you confirm this breakout, let me bring out this horizontal line. You confirm this breakout here. There's a spike around here, and it's happened that it's break here. You understand? And these two moving averages is under, which determine the market is going uptrend, and the candle is above all the indicators, even the parabolic SAR. You understand? Then you come to 1 minute time frame. You can see where I mark. This is 1 minute time frame. You understand? So you see this is cross. This is where you are going to enter. You are going to enter from here. You will patiently wait till the condition in 5 minutes also appear in 1 minute. All the candle must above all the moving averages. This is where we mark in 5 minutes, and it's happened that the condition meets up here. So guys, before I explain better, let's first add all these indicators to our chart. You understand? So as we always do it, let me delete everything on my screen. So you can see that my chart is empty now. So as usual, go to this F symbol, click on this F symbol. let's first add the moving average. You can see the moving average here. Click on the moving average. The period is 100, shift 0, method simple, apply to low. This is where you should take note of very well. We likely use apply to close, but now we are using apply to low. So you can see that. Then click on done. After you have set everything like this, put the style in 4 pixels so that you can bold enough. Then click on done. You can see this is the first 100 period moving average applied to low. Now let's go back to that. As usual, click on the main chart F plus, find the moving average again. Now we are only changing one thing here. This is apply to low. You are changing it to apply to high. You understand? Then click on done. After you have done that, leave everything like this. You can decide to change the color, but it doesn't really mean. Just leave it like I've done my own. Then click on done. You can see that the two moving average appear here, the high and the low moving averages. You understand? So what next? Now let's add our Bollinger Band. As usual, click on the main F chart, find your Bollinger Band. It's here under the trend. Click on it. You can see the settings. Normal, the period, the default setting for Bollinger Band is 20 at the period, and this should normally be maybe around 200 point something, I think so. So you change this to 0.100, the deviation. That is where the main thing is. Change the deviation to 0.100, leave the period at 10, shift 0, apply to close, style 4 pixel. You can see very well. You can screenshot so that it won't stay longer this video. Then click on done. After you have done that, click on done. You can see that this is our Bollinger Band truly. You can see it. So let's go back, guys. So let's add the parabolic SAR. You can see it under the trend. Just click on the parabolic SAR. See the step 1.0, maximum 0.2, style 3 pixel, level empty. Just leave it like this, then click on done. You can see our setup is appear. So guys, in crash, we are buying, in boom we are selling, and this market, this strategy is very effective on all crash and boom market. But one thing I always said about crash 300 and boom 300, that market is let me say, is high volatile market in boom and crash. You understand? And it tends to like this those markets, indicators don't commonly predict the market well. That is the one truth you don't want to hear. The strategy easily fail in 300 markets, boom 300 or crash 300. Sorry, these are the new markets, so it's still new to traders. There is no, I have not seen any indicator that play 90% in this market. I want you to know that fact. I have not seen any indicator that play 90%. I've seen 7, I've seen 65 and 70 that try in this market. Only price action for now. Only price action I'm using for crash 300 and boom 300. I may still come up with a video on those two markets. I just want to tell you that if you are using any strategy, stay away from 300. If you are using any moving averages, any indicators to trade, just stay unless you have your money to pay for it. It's just a bitter truth. You understand? That is how 300 has not been, is new to the market. So the strategies now to trade those two markets using indicator is not that sure. You understand? So now, guys, let's explain one more. Let's go to boom 1000 to explain more about this particular strategy. First of all, let's see the trend of the market on the 5-minute time frame. You can see that the market was in uptrend before, because all the candle is above this, we are selling, so the candle should be below now. Our condition is just meeting now. You can see the breakout is just happening. So what we'll be waiting for, let me bring out the horizontal line. Sorry, I want to click on that to let me bring out the horizontal line. The breakouts are start from here, because this is where the parabolics are, break the moving averages. So we go to 1 minute time frame. Now what we'll be waiting for is a spike. That is our area of concentration. We'll be waiting for a spike that will break, we'll be waiting for a spike that will break here and come back. So we'll now be waiting for this spike to market to break, to return back to its normal movement. That is where we find our own entry. You don't understand? Let me check one that say this very clear. Okay, fine. The turnaround trend begin from here. The downtrend begin from here. Let me say from here before the spike happen. No, we don't have the parabolic stars not break it that, and let me it's happen. It begin from here. So now let's find this horizontal line in a 1 minute time frame. Let's find it. Fine. This is where the horizontal line is. This is where the condition meets in 5 minutes. So we'll be waiting for spike ahead. This is what I'm trying to explain. You can see that the spike happened here. They'll be waiting for the market to break the Bollinger Band and the parabolic start to break it before we enter the trade, and it's happened here. You can see that the spike happened here and the market come back. This is where you will enter the trade. You will enter from here. You can see where my cross share is. You will enter from that place. You enter from this place. You understand? Let me put this horizontal line there. Sorry for that. You will enter from here. Then you will count your 5 candles. Count your 5 candles and leave the market alone after your condition has met. Count the 5 candles. You can use any lot size of your choice. It depends on the size of your account, but don't count more than 5 candles. You may see a lot of candles slipping that in your way, but that doesn't really concern you. You understand? So just count your 5 candle and leave the market. You understand? So guys, go to your demo account and confirm the strategy. So guys, test the strategy on your demo account, develop the confidence on your own before you enter the live trading. So traders, work on that strategy. Like I always said, try to trade on the market. Just try to leave it aside. If you're a beginner, if you don't know anything about price movement, please stay away from 300 market. Just focus on 1500. So traders, trade responsible, and I wish you happy trading. Thank you.